Alright, so today I have some ackee and saltfish, you see me? Original Jamaican style. So right, that's all. Boil off the ackee them, I don't know how to do it already. So we have a yam, sweet potato, corn, some rice plant, you understand? Boom, 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 boom. While that over there, so soak up the saltfish, because you don't know, so you don't want the saltfish to salt. Grate all white flour. Just add some cornmeal to that and a pinch of salt. Don't know, say a saltfish, so you know, on the flour too salt either. Pinch of salt, set speed. Alright, what next now? Boil off the saltfish same way. Don't know, say we national dish at set speed. Need the flour. Yeah, man. Don't afraid to get the hands them dirty. Yeah. You have to mind of spoil the flour too, you know. Can't pour too much water. Don't follow me and put too much water in it. One time. Just take time. If you are not proud, just take time, pinch of water, you see it. Strain off the ackee. Drain off the water fight. Flour need up one thing there. Alright, water hotter now, so we add up, drop in the corn, rice planting, and go and boil, you know. Plant the ripe so you can leave the skin on it. Okay, you don't want to boil out in a pot. Easily come off when you boil. So you can boil it with the skin in it. Peel up the potato them, the ground fool them. You see me? If you're not proud with the knife, you can take time with the knife still. Take it easy. Alright, sweet potato there. Need make some dumpling. Nice and round. Them they are woman dumpling them that still. I don't know say if a man I make them. Make everything them bigger. Alright. Water nice and warm. Nice and hot. Drop in everything. Alright, watch it down. Throw in the yam on the sweet potato said way. Water nice and hot. You understand? Watch your style, you know, man. Need a flour and make some nice round dumpling. Watch it. Alright, see the ackee there. Saltfish there ready. More dumpling. Look there. No, so you want a plate of that right now, man. Watch that. Alright, green banana. All of the hot girl them. Make sure you can peel green banana. You know, say you just put little oil on your hand first if you don't want your hand stain up. Still all stain up, but just add little oil on your hand, less stain. Sun well at out the door, you know. Alright, pick up the saltfish now. Nice and easy. Boom, 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 boom. Easy, man. Easy recipe. Regular day, regular day. Just a regular cooking. That's what we do every day, man. Regular thing. See that? Alright. Tip look of oil in the pot. Make it get nice and hot. What next now? Burn off some veggie in it. Don't know, say you have your onion, you have a tomato, you have a sweet pepper, your bell pepper. Set speed. We add some okra in it, but you don't have to do that. Regular day. Any way you like it, you can deal with it same way. Anything you want to put in it. What's your style now? Little season. The veg them sort off in the pot, let's get the flavor out of them, you know? Ah, watch your style. Saltfish. Well, pick up on thing. Easy recipe, man. Regular day. Regular day, regular day. Ackee, nice and firm, same way. You notice they're not softy and plaka. You see me? Ackee, they're nice and firm, same way. Regular day. And anyway, you can go and get them firm ackee, you know. You have some ackee plaka. You boil them come like butter, same way. If you notice that them ackee are nice and firm. Alright. Touch of black pepper same way. I say black pepper not good for man still, but you don't know if you touch up the ackee and saltfish, you look at black pepper same way. Yeah, answer. Gotcha, man. A real deal, Latin, youth. A real deal.